Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Fast, the podcast where you can improve your English step by step, one simple conversation at a time. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark. We are so happy you're here today. This podcast is for beginners and intermediate learners who want to speak English confidently and naturally.
In this series, we will share powerful tips to help you learn English faster and with more confidence.
Each episode will focus on one tip. We will explain it, give examples, share personal stories, and practice together.
So relax, get comfortable, and let's begin.
Tip 1. Set clear goals and build a daily English habit.
Part 1. Why goals are important. Mark, many people say, I want to learn English, but they don't know where to start.
That's true. Saying, I want to learn English is too general. It's better to say, I want to speak English for my job, or I want to travel, or I want to understand movies.
Yes. When you have a clear goal, you feel motivated. You know why you are learning.
Without a goal, people feel confused and stop easily. But with a goal, you keep going.
So let's help our listeners set clear goals today.
Part 2. How to set a simple English goal. Lisa, what is a good English goal?
A good goal is specific, simple, and realistic. For example, I will learn 10 new English words every day, or I will speak English for 15 minutes every day.
That sounds easy and clear.
Yes, big goals are made from small daily actions.
Part 3. Mark's story. When I was learning Spanish, I felt stressed. I tried to study for 2 hours, but I quit after 1 week.
What changed?
I changed my goal. I said, I will study 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes felt easy. I did it every day. After 6 months, I could speak.
That's a great example. Small habits create big results. Part 4. Building a daily English habit. Now, let's talk about habits. A habit is something you do every day without thinking.
Like brushing your teeth.
Exactly. English should be like brushing your teeth.
So how can we build this habit?
Here are 4 easy steps. 1. Choose a time. Morning, afternoon, or night. 2. Choose a place. Your room, bus, cafe, or bed. 3. Choose a small action. 5 minutes reading, 10 words, 1 short video. 4. Repeat every day.
Part 5. Daily practice examples. Lisa, can you give examples of daily English practice?
Sure. Listen to 1 English podcast. Read 1 short story. Write 5 sentences. Speak to yourself in English. Repeat after a video.
Even 10 minutes a day can change your life.
Part 6. Practice together. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. My goal is to speak English every day.
My goal is to speak English every day.
I will study for 10 minutes.
I will study for 10 minutes.
I will never give up.
I will never give up. Part 7. Motivation. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent.
Yes, make mistakes. Learn. Try again.
Your English will improve little by little every day.
That's the end of episode 1. Set clear goals and build a daily English habit.
In episode 2, we will talk about listen more than you speak. Train your ears first.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to practice today.
See you next time on Learn English Fast.